Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms to help you decide which of these VPN platform would be a better option for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick analysis about ExpressVPN and VyprVPN. So to get started, ExpressVPN remains a top-tier VPN with excellent speed, security, and reliability. It offers over 90 server locations, military-grade encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and a lightweight protocol for fast performance. It works well for streaming, torrenting, and bypassing censorship, making it a strong all-round VPN for both beginners and powerful users. Then talking about VPN on the other side is a solid, especially for privacy. It owns all its server, no third parties, offer a strong security as well, and includes the chameleon protocol to beat VPN blocks in restrictive countries. However, its server's network is smaller, speed can vary, and it isn't as published for streaming or everyday use. And here's a better conclusion about these two platforms. So, ExpressVPN is the best choice in 2025 for overall performance in terms of speed, ease of use, while Vipro is still good for privacy-focused users or those in countries with heavy censorship, but it's not as fast or versatile as ExpressVPN. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.